trying out the web camera on my computer. Piper, do you want to come be in my video? Drinking out of my Hope cup this morning because, you know, we all need a little more hope. And Piper printed this. Now she's going to go get some scissors and she's going to cut all the way around this great big square. And hopefully we can edit this video so that she can start cutting. Here you go.
And it won't take forever.
And it won't take forever. So we're going to pause the video and hopefully we can put it all together.
And you got to cut around the solid line.
The solid line all the way around the big square. I almost said circle. That was in there. That's okay. Okay, so while Piper finishes cutting that out, I have unfolded this finished one so I can show you how to fold it. So first you're going to put it face down. So the white square should be looking at you. And then we take the corners and we fold them right into the center. Do you see? Just like that. All the corners are going to get folded into the center.
Okay, I'm done.
Good job. And then we're going to flip it over. Ta-ta! So we see the other side. And again, we're going to fold the corners into the center. And then we're going to fold the whole thing in half and smush it all over. Make sure the edges are really, really folded good. And then open it up and smush it in half the other way. And smush it all together. Make sure the edges are really, really folded. Come a little closer. You look. Hi. Okay. And then you can put your fingers in it. Ta-da! And you can boop, da boop, da boop, da boop. And so the way it works is on the outside, there's breath. So you'll say, hey, partner, pick one. Which one are you going to pick? Watch out for Mommy's coffee. Breath. Okay. Yes. So yogic breath. So you're going to stand in standing mountain pose. And you're going to inhale, sweeping your arms up. And breathe out, bring those arms down, and you're going to do that as many times as you want to. And every time you do it, I'm going to open this. Oh, and then open it the other way. And you do it as many times as you want to. Maybe for our purposes right now, you're done? Okay, so then she's done, and I was here. So then she's going to pick one of these poses out of here. Which is the pose you're going to pick? We have Warrior 1, Warrior 3. Oh, these are good balancing or strength poses. So she's going to pick one. There's lotus and tree pose. She's going to pick one and she's going to do it for as long as she wants to. Tree pose. Okay, while she's doing tree pose, I'm going to switchy, 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 switchy. And when she comes out of tree pose, then we'll, oh, there we go. And we're back into the same thing that we were the last time. Instead of being in this one where we have different pose options. Like my nostrils, isn't that pretty? We're in this one. And so if she picks tree pose again, let's see if she does. Please pick tree pose again. Okay, tree pose. So she's going to pick tree pose again, and she's going to do tree pose, and I can just do this for as long as she wants to do tree pose. And then when we're finished, then we're going to open it up. What was underneath tree pose? You got easy seated pose. So now she's going to find easy seated pose, and she's going to sit and take however many breaths she wants to, maybe at least 5 big, long, slow breaths, and find a little bit of her chill. And she's doing that there, but you can't really see. So anyways, that's how this thing works. Hopefully I can stick this video all together. Piper, come up here and say see you later. Hopefully I can stick all this video together and we'll upload it on YouTube later today. Bye! Have fun!
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Oh, yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe. What did you say yesterday? Click that bell?
Click that bell button.
Click that bell button. Do it.